Do you think AI is just another fancy tool, like a new app on your phone? Think again. The world is changing faster than ever, and AI is at the wheel. Some reports predict that by 2030, a huge chunk of the jobs we know today could be transformed or even disappear completely. Sounds a bit scary, right? But here's the thing. It's not about being replaced. It's about leveling up. This isn't the end of the road. It's a detour to something bigger and better. The key is to adapt and learn. By understanding AI now, you're not just future-proofing your career. You're putting yourself in the driver's seat of innovation. So, don't wait to be left behind. Start learning, start exploring, and get ready to shape the future. Did you know that some AI can now process information 20 times faster than the human brain? Think about that for a second. 20 times faster. It's like you're reading the first page of a book, and the AI has already finished the entire novel. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's our reality. In a world where everything is moving at lightning speed, staying ahead means embracing the tools that can give you an edge. Ignoring AI isn't just missing out on a trend. It's like choosing to walk in a race where everyone else is driving a sports car. You're essentially falling behind before you even start. So, the real question isn't whether AI is coming, it's already here. The question is, what are you going to do about it? Are you ready to learn, adapt, and harness this incredible power? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Picture this. You have an amazing video idea, but you don't know how to shoot, edit, or even write a script. Well, what if I told you that in the near future, none of that will matter? Get ready, because the world of video creation is about to be completely transformed. Imagine just typing 3 simple words, like cat riding skateboard. And then, like magic, an AI generates an entire video for you. I'm talking about the visuals, the background music, even a perfectly fitting script, all created in seconds. This isn't science fiction. This is what's coming. By 2025, the new rule will be, if you can imagine it, AI can make it real. Your imagination will be the only limit. This technology is going to empower so many new creators and unlock stories we've never seen before. Are you excited? I know I am. What 3 words would you type first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the future of AI.